Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your PIN number on the T-Mobile app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're on the sport phone with T-Mobile and they're asking you for your PIN number, but you might have forgotten it. How do you actually go ahead and change your PIN number on the T-Mobile app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the T-Mobile app. Next, click on Manage on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, click on the gear icon on the upper right-hand corner. Next, click on Security. Next, click on T-Mobile ID. Now, once you click on T-Mobile ID, we have some blurred out information here, but you want to go ahead and click on PIN/passcode. So by clicking on PIN/passcode, you'll be able to go ahead and change your PIN code. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your PIN number on the T-Mobile app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.